Hello, I'm Mark.
Welcome to
Peek-a-Boo. Yay!
Hey everyone, guess what? Today is our field trip. Woo! Let's go somewhere together. Angel, Mark,
I'm coming. Yay! Let's go on the bus. Yay!
Let's go on the bus? No.
No. What?
No.
No bus today? There's
no bus today.
What? Are we walking?
Let's walk.
No.
No.
Today, let's go on an airplane.
On airplane? All right. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, jump! But everybody, for this field trip, you need your special menu. Don't forget, do you have it? Show me. Nice.
Okay.
Well, it's your turn.
It's my turn. Hey, everybody, guess where I want to go? Yeah, let's find out. Ready?
Huh?
Wow!
Where
Do
is
you
it?
know this big mountain? Yeah, it's really big.
Ooh, what mountain is it?
Do you know? It's near my house in Yamanashi.
What?
Yeah.
Is it Mount Fuji?
It's Mount Fuji. Nice.
We're going to Japan.
Ooh, Japan.
That's so cool. Let's go. Ready? Here we go to Japan. Oh, but I'm feeling a little hungry. You're hungry, Boo? Well, what do you want to eat? Really? Did you hear that? Boo wants to eat something special. Look at that.
What is it?
What's that?
Show me on your menu. Which one?
What can you eat in Japan?
Show me.
Setuka said sushi, and Mikuri and Yuzuka too.
Show
Is
me.
it sushi?
That's right.
Rio and Mai. Yay!
I want to eat sushi.
It looks so yummy.
Here you are.
Oh, eat a lot.
Wow.
Do you like sushi?
I like sushi. Yay! That was
Nice.
good. I think it's Mark's turn.
Ew, it's my turn.
Hi, Shota. Welcome. Am I
Noah? I'm going somewhere really cool. And it's big. Oh, do you see?
Where is Mark?
Where am I?
You know.
Do you know?
Where is Mark?
That's right, I'm in America. That's right, America. But I'm hungry too. Let's go to the restaurant. Ding, 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 ding. I know what I want. But do you know? I'll give you a hint.
Ta-da! What does Mark want to eat?
Ooh, it looks really yummy. What do I want? Do you know?
Show us.
is
Setuka
it?
says a hamburger.
I don't know.
Mikuri and Yuzuka are pointing to the hamburger
There's
too.
lettuce and cheese and that's right, it's a hamburger. Wow, it looks so yummy. Oh, it's really
Haruna,
heavy.
good job. You got hamburger. And Kano too.
Here you are.
Good job, everyone.
Is it yummy?
Yes.
Nice. Good. Oh,
It's my turn. Woohoo! All right, time for us to go. But where? Where are we going?
it looks so cool.
Do you know?
Where is it?
I think I'm in Italy.
Wow, Italy.
Wow. And I'm so hungry.
Oh no.
What
Let's
can
go to the
Angel
restaurant.
find?
Where is the restaurant? Ta-da!
What?
What do you think? I want to eat
show
what?
us.
Show me.
Let's see. Oh, do you know?
I can see salami.
Salami.
Cheese.
Cheese? Show me, which one is it?
Rio says it's pizza.
What?
Pizza?
Mai says pizza too.
And so does Yuzuka.
Okay.
Sakura too. Good job, Sakura.
Harunari, do you think it's pizza too? Let's see.
Dun, 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 dun.
Wow, nice.
Can we say, I want pizza? Ready, go.
I want pizza.
Yay.
It's so yummy.
I'm finished, thank you.
Good job. Oh, I want to go somewhere next.
Oh, where are you going, Boo?
I want to go to a place with a big palace like this.
What?
Yeah, look.
Where are you? What is it?
I'm in a place called India.
India.
Look.
Wow.
Can you see? It's
Wow.
India. It's very big.
Yeah.
And when I'm in India, there's something special I want to put in my tummy.
It
Let's go to
smells
the restaurant again. Here we go.
What can you eat in India?
Do you know? This is hard.
It is.
Can you show me? Look, there's some
Wow.
chicken and some spices. Yeah.
Smells yummy.
I'm hungry.
Mikuri said curry
Wow,
rice.
curry and Setoka say too.
And mine.
And Suzuri. I think they know what it is.
Yeah, you got it. That's right.
It's.
It's curry.
Oh, it's curry! Wow!
It smells good. Let's eat.
Yummy!
Wait, someone's coming. Who is it?
Whoa. Where am I going next? Let's see. Can you see? There's so many pictures everywhere. Where am I? Oh, that's right. Ding! I'm in South Korea.
Wow.
It's very close to Japan.
Wow.
I'm in South Korea, but uh-oh. I'm angry?
No.
I'm sad? No. What am I? I'm hungry again. Let's go to the restaurant. What can I eat? What do I want?
What do you want, Mark?
I know. I want something that looks like this.
What is
Is
it?
it spicy?
It's a little spicy,
Tsuzuri says,
but
is it
it's
kimchi?
really yummy.
Harunari too.
Oh, do you think so?
He thinks it's kimchi.
Really? It kind of looks like pizza.
Good job,
A little bit, right?
Said
Or spaghetti?
Rio said kimchi.
Kimchi, let's see. Oh, yeah, that's right. Kimchi.
Good job, Kano. That's right.
Here you are. I want kimchi.
Yummy.
I really like kimchi. Here's some for you.
They don't like it. It's too spicy.
It's too spicy. Oh no. Well, let's see. Where are we going next? Uh-oh. Run away, run away, run away, run away.
Whee! Where are we going? Whee!
I don't know.
Where is this place? Do you know? Ta-da! It's quite difficult. All right, let's find out.
What is it?
Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun.
Where is it?
I am in Mexico.
Mexico?
Yes.
Cool.
All right.
That's next to America.
Right. I'm so sleepy.
It's sleepy. No, wake up, wake up, wake up.
Oh, no, I'm not sleepy. I'm hungry.
Oh.
Let's go to the toilet.
Yay.
No, let's go to the restaurant.
Restaurant. What are you gonna eat?
Do you know?
I don't know.
It's yummy.
I want hamburger.
No. No, I don't think it same colors as a hamburger. It has the same colors, but it's not.
I
a
want
hamburger.
pizza.
I don't think it's pizza.
Already had pizza.
Oh, Maya's saying taco rice.
Show me.
Oh, and so is Winkedy and Suzity and who else?
Momo.
Oh, Rio's got it too. Oh,
they already
And
know.
Shota, nice Shota.
All right, can we all say, I want taco rice. Woo! Let's
Taco
eat.
rice.
Nom, 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 nom.
Wow.
I'm finished, thank you.
Wow, that was a fun field trip.
Yay.
Thanks for coming, everybody. With us.
Great.
That was fun.
Really nice.
Good job.
It's finger play time.
Woohoo.
That's right. Do you remember last time we did open them, shut them? That's right. We're going to do it again. Can you help me? Let's do it together, okay? Can you open and shut and clap? Okay, that's all you have to do. Copy me. Here we go. Open them, shut them. Open them, shut them. Give a little clap. Open them, shut them. Open them, shut them. Put them in your lap.
Ooh.
Creep them,
Oh.
creep them, creep them, creep them. Right up to your chin.
Whoa.
This is your chin. Open up your little mouth. Up. But do not let them in.
Ooh.
Wow, good job, everybody. Let's see. That was good for Noah and you. Good job. Let's do it one more time.
Ooh, all right.
Okay? Open them, shut them. Open them, shut them. Give a little clap. Open them, shut them. Open them, shut them. Put them in your lap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them right up to your eyes. Good job, I see you.
Nice, Sakura. Come on, say.
Now put them together like a butterfly. Very good.
Nice.
Can you spin them? Faster, faster, faster,
Go, 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 go.
Spin them round and round.
Too fast.
Slower, 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 slower. Right down to the ground. Touch your toes. Ah, you did it. Good job. Wow. I saw lots of kids doing it. Very nice. Sakura and Sei, you can do it too. Good job, everyone.
Kindergarten time. Oh, come on, Angel, come here. I want to play rock, paper, scissors.
Me too, let's do it.
Let's do it. Here we go.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Rock, paper, scissors, go. Ah, yay! I win.
Wait, something's wrong. Let's do it one more time.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Rock, paper, scissors, go. Yay! I win!
Oh no, something is really
Yay.
wrong. Teacher, come on.
Uh-oh. What's wrong?
Mark was cheating.
Cheating?
It is. Oh.
Show me one more time, okay?
Oh, okay. Rock, paper, scissors, go!
What
Yay!
That's not
Yay.
fair. That's not fair.
You did scissors. And this is rock. Rock smashes scissors. You can't make a paper like that.
But
That's cheating.
I won.
I
Let's try.
understand.
One more time.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, go!
Yay! Yay!
Angel won. Got it. Yeah, I got
Okay. I understand.
Are you okay now?
I'm okay.
All right, good job, guys.
Oh, everybody, here we go. Ready, go. Rock, paper, scissors, go.
Oh,
Oh my God! Did you get me?
Did you change? Did you change?
Don't change. Good job, everybody.
All right.
Kindergarten time.